Hello there, Amir here with another React challenge that could really give you an edge on the interviews. Today we are going to implement another custom hook that can be used in our projects, and this is use pagination. So we have a page with a page number and then a bunch of buttons. We have next that would increment the number of page. We have back which would decrement the number of page. We can reset, go to the default number. So if we go like 4 and then reset, we would go to 1. And then we have the go to page X, in this case 10. And when we click it, we go to page 10. And of course, we're going to use this as a custom hook so that we could use it later on in other parts of our project. So it's a good time to pause the video and try to resolve it by yourself. Otherwise, let's get into the code. Alright, here I am with my empty app. I would define my custom hook outside. This can of course be inside and then be exported into its own function in another file. But for this example, we are going to do it here. So use pagination. The thing that we get is a default value, which is, let's say, 1 if not provided. And then what do we have? We have a state to keep value of the page. So let's say page and set page. And let's give it the default value. Great. We have a function to increment. So on increment, let's say on next page. This makes much more sense. On next page is a function that would set the page to the page +1. Great. Then we could have a on previous page. This would decrease the number of page, but let's say if the page is 1, we only want to stay at 1. We don't want to go any number before 1. So like that. Then what else do we have? We have the one where we want to go to a specific page. So on, let's say on go to page, this will get a number. Then we would set the page to that number. And we can have a reset to go back to page number 1. So we can go to the default value that we have. So like this. And I think that's it. We need to just return these values. Again, I'm using an object here so that I can put them in any order and retrieve them in any order that I like. So page, on next page, on previous page, on go to page, and on reset page. So I am returning these values, and then of course I can use them here. So let's say const all of these values from the custom hook that we have, use pagination. We can provide the value, but let's say we don't. And now we can use those functions and the value. So let's say we have a h1, then we could have a bunch of buttons. On click, do something. This one is for next. This one is for back. This one is for reset. And this is for go to page 10. Okay, this is just calling this function. This will call this function on reset and on go to page, but this needs a value. So let's say 10, and I should call it like this so it's not executed. Okay, what's wrong with on reset page? This is const. Alright, let's see if it works. Yes, we can go to different page, we can reset, and we can go to page 10 and then go forward. Let's see if we go below 1 or not. No. Great. So just like what we have for this previous page, we can get the number of the total page and then set it here as well. So for example, if we have a total page, let's say it's 20, and then here we can say that if page equal to 20, then we don't want to do anything, so otherwise add 1 to. Alright, now let's go here. I can go to page 10 and then forward up to 20, but I cannot go any further. So yeah, this was it for our puzzle for today. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If that's the case, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel to help me provide more content like this. And if you really feel like it, you can always donate to the channel as well. The links to the donation are available on the description of this page. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.